Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can do content tagging in foundation model for native iOS application. So let's get started. So first I am updated to macOS Tahoe and Xcode 26. You require Xcode 26 to play around with foundation model. Also, if you are like me and if your real device does not support Apple Intelligence, then you can run this on simulator as long as you have upgraded to macOS Tahoe. That is very really important, and also Xcode 26. So I am using UIKit, but if you want you can use SwiftUI as well. There is no UI logic as such. All I have done is that I am just calling this language foundation model code inside view.did. There is no UI code, as you can see. So let's go through it. So here you can see I have just created one struct, and here which is of type @generable, and here I'm created one actions of array of type string, and emotions and array of type string as well, and maximum count I want to detect is of 3. Then here I have one model, system language model dot default, and I have imported foundation model as well over here. Then here we just initialize our language model session, and here we pass this system language model, and here you need to pass the content tagging, and here is the instruction which I want. Tag the 3 important actions and emotions in the given input text. So here first I check for model availability. If it is available, then we just do session dot respond, and here is my text like he worked hard, felt anxious, but finally celebrated his success. And inside generating, here we pass this struct top 3 action emotion result. In case if it is unavailable, then we just do and Apple Intelligence not enabled, and in case model is not ready, then we just do model not ready, and this for default case also model is not ready. So I'm not sure why this is taking so much time. It should have so it has displayed the output. So here you can see this was here we are printing the output, right? So here for actions it is celebrate, work and feel, and for emotions it is satisfactory and anxiety. It is not able to file the third emotion inside our text. So hopefully you got the point. So that's how content tagging works inside foundation models. Thank you for watching. Bye.